What's up, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, we're gonna talk about TypeScript. We're gonna learn what is TypeScript before we get started writing any line of code. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. So, what is TypeScript? TypeScript it is a statically typed language and an oriented programming language created and maintained by Microsoft. TypeScript also it is a superset of JavaScript, which means that any feature included in JavaScript it is available as well in TypeScript. It offers a possibility to use strict type in our application, which means when we are creating our application, we have a possibility to type our variable and even specify a return type to our function. And TypeScript offers all modern features included in JavaScript like auto functions, let, and const keywords. And when we are creating our TypeScript application, we need to transfer our TS code down to JavaScript so that the web server or the web browser be able to read our source code. Now, why should we learn TypeScript? We should learn TypeScript because it allows us to create robust application. We can detect typing errors when we are coding. On the image, we have a double function, and you can see it takes x as parameter. X, it is a number. And when we call our double function with a string, you can see that TypeScript underlines the error. It detects that we are passing a string instead of a number. And that's why we should use TypeScript, because it allows to detect errors automatically when we are coding. Now, what about prerequisites? To follow along this course, you're gonna need as prerequisites some basics of some JavaScript concepts like arrow functions, DOM, and class. And in the next video, we're gonna talk about how to install TypeScript compiler and Node.js. I see you there.